Alright, I was driving by and I found this. Obviously someone was trying to sell this for $60, so I don't know how much it's worth. But they threw it all away. We got all kinds of stuff out there. And look at these little bitty cars. They're pins actually that you put on yourself, but little cars, water thing. Look at for the compressors. Screwdriver, another thing for the compressor. Yeah. Old classic puzzle. Another puzzle. This is a great band era. 37 top bands played 10 years of top tunes, 1936 to 1945. Original recording by. Wow, and they sold it for that much? They were selling for $6? And you got this little naked baby. Happy New Year! This one looks like it might be worth some money. I don't know. And then we got this right here. The Houston Comics official out of this world mascot. Beautiful. Okay. Anyway, there's a lot more stuff. Then we got these right here. These are the little clip it onto your belt, put your key or whatever. Let me see. You know, they pull out right there. Let me clip it right here. I'll clip it right here so I can show you. Yeah, I don't want to do that. That might be worth money. I'm gonna mess it up. I'll clip it right here. Clip it right there. Anyway, there's like maybe 200-300 of these. I wonder how much I could sell these for. There's about 200-300 of these. They're all in there. Anyway, I found all this. This was all there for the taking. I brought it. And they have prices on some of the stuff, so I'm assuming they tried selling it and cross it was over and they just chunked it, but they should have went on eBay, man. I mean, this looked like it might be worth some money. I'm gonna look it up. This looked like it's worth money. That looked like it's worth money. And that looked like it's worth money. That one never been even opened, that puzzle. All the records are in there. I checked it. That's pretty cool. Anyway, later guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. Oh, this definitely got this because I've seen these before on the internet. They're worth money. This was a dirty old man need love too. Yeah, I think this is worth some money. I'm gonna have to check this out. All right, man. Later. Subscribe. I found this bike on the side of the road. Well, actually, I found this bike in front of somebody's house, somebody's yard, and I picked it up because it looked like they were throwing it. I guess it was in the corner of their house, corner of their yard. I just picked it up. I like it. I got a bike that's almost got a frame like that, but whoa, I got attacked by him. They done good too, them folkers.